Right, so in this video we're going to be covering the basics of how to make a cup of coffee. So you're going to need some simple ingredients, some coffee, some sugar and milk, and a cup and a spoon. Not forgetting a kettle with some boiling water. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your coffee. As you can see, I've put my spoon in. I'm going to get the coffee out. So I've opted for the Kenco coffee granules. Nice quick cup of coffee, good quality. Prefer this better than an Nescafe. One spoonful is normally enough, but I like a strong cup, so I'm going to go with 2. Put that in there. Now you can add sugar to suit the taste. For me, I'm just going to go with 1 sugar. Sweet enough. Plonk that in there, like so. Now then, this is a point for debate. Does the water go in first or the milk? Now I prefer to put the milk in first to stop the coffee scorching. However, one problem that you often have when you put the milk in first is that the coffee doesn't mix up properly. So once you pour your water in, just being careful not to burn yourself, of course. Pre-boiled, not be putting cold water in. What you want to do is just make sure you give it a good solid stir, both directions, like so, and then just keep going until all the coffee has been mixed up. And that is how we make a cup of coffee.